the game. It's a rich thing.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new vlog. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I know you're gonna love the vibe here, so you might as well subscribe, sis. Go ahead and hit that notification bell as well so that you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Okay, so yeah, I did a yoga class this morning and I made myself a very big breakfast, and I didn't think I was gonna finish it actually, but I polished that whole thing. Okay. I have had a very hectic few days and I'm just like, I need some time to just breathe, chill. Yeah, just have a little bit of a self care moment because let me tell you something, I need it. I absolutely need it. Okay. Hey, my loves, it's another day in the vlog. It's another day in the vlog, and I'm headed to PMB to do a few things and to fetch my mother, who happens to be at my sister's house. I actually took her there 2 days ago, so I am headed to PMB for the second time this week. And I'm also going there the day after tomorrow. So I'm gonna be very exhausted by the end of this week, but yeah, that's where we at right now. I also want to pop into a few stores because there's just a few things that are staples in my wardrobe that I feel like I need to replace. I don't have a white t-shirt anymore. I need to replace my white button-down shirt. There's just like a whole host of things that I need to look at and kind of, reconfigure just to start preparing myself for when I do start buying, because it helps to kind of have like a pre-game type of vibe where I'm just like, okay, let's see what's there. Let's see what's, happening. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And if you guys want to come with, let's go. Okay. These are cute for sure. Very pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. It's giving Alaya dupe for sure. This is a really good quality basic, and I love the color. I absolutely love the color of this. I mean, like, it looks really good, and that's the price. Okay. Okay. Njani? Ngiyaphi? Anzang? Thank you. Oh, an extra 20%. Okay, thank you. Cute loafers. Very cute loafers. How pretty are these? So pretty. No, I'm just having a look around, seeing what's going on here. Thank you. All right, so while the burgers are doing their thing, I want to go and pick some rockets from the garden that we're going to use in these burgers as well. So let's go and do that. All right, you guys, so here's the rocket that we're going to be using in our burgers. So I just need to pick some. Here, let's see. Okay, yeah, this should be enough rocket for 3 burgers, don't you think? Yeah. Okay, so let me give you a quick tour of the garden and then we'll go back to cooking. My mother has so many things in this garden. So these are her potatoes. These very long rows of potatoes, and hers are so grown because like this is what I'm supposed to, you probably can't even see. This is what I need to do to my potatoes in my garden to kind of like raise the soil. So yeah, then all of this is spinach and these are carrots. And then we have, I'm pretty sure these are green peppers. And then she has leeks. And then this is, these 2 rows are garlic. And then this is spring onion. There's more rows of rocket on that side. We have here some thyme, some rosemary, and some mint over here. And then we have beetroot. Okay, yeah, so this is all beetroot, and then we have chives. And then over here we have some very ripe strawberries. There's one, you can see it. It's actually, oh, there's actually 2 ripe and ready to be picked. Look at that. Okay, our burgers are looking delish. I'm caramelizing some onions to go on the burgers as well, and I also have some sliced tomatoes, burger buns ready for toasting. So let's put these in the oven. Onions are caramelizing, buns are toasted and buttered. eggs. So yeah, we're about to put these burgers together. Okay, so we're ready to put these burgers together. We have some tomatoes, some caramelized onion, the burgers with cheese melted on top, the buns are ready to go, some extra grated cheese, some eggs, and the rocket we picked from the garden, which I am dressing with a little bit of oil and vinegar. So yeah, let's put these burgers together. We've added the cheese on top, and now all we gotta do is top it off with a bun. It looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. Even though I didn't have like a sauce, I forgot to get that, but we may do, baby. We may do. This looks so good. It looks so good. So, bon appetito. Ooh. Yep. I'm about to devour this burger. All right, my loves. So let's do a garden update. These are the 2 rows of potatoes that I planted, and they are looking phenomenal. They look so good. I'm excited about the potatoes. The kale, not so much, because it turns out the seeds were expired, so none of the kale came out. And yeah, so I'm about to plant something else in the space. I think I'm gonna plant the cabbage. I have some red cabbage here that I'm gonna plant there where I had the kale, and then I have some baby marrow. I've gone ahead and raised the soil on the potatoes as well. Like you can see, there's like can you see? Can you stand back? I've gone ahead and like raised the soil on the potatoes, and then this is what this part of the garden is looking like. So this is where I previously had the kale, and now I have the red cabbage. So I have 6 of these, and then we have the pepper that we planted first. We had a hailstorm a few days ago, and yeah, it did some damage, as you can see. Look at this. Look at this. But everything is, you know, coming back to life, so that's fine. And then baby marrow over here, and it's growing. It's coming along really, really well. And then I just have some additional space prepared here because I'm getting ready to plant some kale in a few days that I still need to get seedlings for. But yeah, that is what the garden is looking like, and I am thrilled about it. Okay.
so peaceful, so tranquil. Look at that.